And nuju is kind of like a, you know, that na, there's a na means is na, right? And that means in. And then uju means like full or plenty, right? And so when you have like two vowel sounds in Igbo, the A from na, right? And the U from uju, they kind of come together, right? And one of them goes away. So instead of saying na uju, you just say nuju, right? So na uju means in fullness or in plenty, right? So you put everything together, obia nuju means she arrived in the midst of plenty. She came when there was a whole lot of wealth, a lot of preparations. Basically, a child that was born in the midst of plenty. Their parents had a lot of preparations for them. Yeah, like parents had